Here I have LG X Power 2 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Choose General tab, scroll down to the bottom of the list and select About Phone. So from the following options, let's choose the software info. Here you have to find the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back right here, and under backup and reset you've got developer options. Let's tap OK to the following warning, and as you can see here, you can use all the features from the following list. For example, you can enable or disable OEM Unlocking. You may also enable USB Debugging if you would like to, and for example enable View Attribute Inspection if you would like to. But in my case, let me just go back. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's use the back key again, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.